Today we are making an extra virgin olive oil cake, and I use extra virgin olive oil in nearly all my cakes. In this cake, it is absolutely the shining star. It is being celebrated here in its herbaceous notes, its citrusy undertones, and you'd be surprised what a little bit of sugar does to express it in a way that a lot of people won't be used to. I dare you to try it. Before we start, we're going to preheat the oven and line our springform tin. You're welcome to use any tin you like, but I love springforms because they're so easy to line. Stop that, and it's ready. And then we're going to prepare our liquids. So we're going to start by zesting a lemon. This is going to lend a really incredible aroma. We're going to do the same with a seedless mandarin or easy peeler. Preferably seedless because we're just going to peel it and put the whole thing inside. Peel the mandarin, so we've got the whole mandarin without seeds. We've got the juice of a lemon, 1 apple, and I've just cut out the core. We've got our milk and rosemary. I'm using dried, but you can use fresh. You want to get about 6 sprigs, and we're going to blend this to a puree. Then we take our dry ingredients in a bowl, so flour, caster sugar, baking powder, bicarbonate or baking soda, pinch of salt. I'm going to do my version of sieving or whisking. This is just going to combine all of our dry ingredients, make sure that baking powder is nicely dispersed and any light lumps of flour are broken up. Ooh, I forgot to blend that olive oil in as well. We just add this. Then we just give this a light whisk. We just want to whisk it until everything comes together and there are no lumps of flour. Everything is nicely dispersed. And then we just pour it into the tin. It's as simple as that. Got a really fresh, zesty aroma. This is definitely a summer cake. The last thing I like to do before baking is just to sprinkle some demerara sugar all the way around the edges. This just gives it a really nice crunch as it bakes. I like to cover the edges for a bit of a crust that forms as it bakes, and then in the oven. So, beautiful olive oil cakes come out of the oven, and so we're going to let that cool fully before we finish it with our olive oil curd. To prepare our olive oil curd, we're starting with a robust olive oil. Any extra virgin olive oil will do an amazing job here. Caster sugar, soy milk, and lemon juice. We're going to do something so simple, you won't believe how it's going to transform. We're just going to get the sugar off the top there. Blend this until it turns to silk. So we've blended it until thick and silky. So we've done the impossible and combined oil and water, so to speak. And we've got this incredible silky curd that we're going to spread on top of the cake. I'm just going to make sure that it is free from the edges of the pan, which it is. And I'm just releasing it from the springform tin. I'm just going to spoon my curd onto the top. I really love olive oil, and I think some people might be averse to the idea of having it in so many sweet things. I use it in nearly all of my recipes, but I use a lot less of it than you might traditionally. So you don't get a big hit of olive oil flavor. However, in this cake, I have purposely wanted to really amplify and celebrate the flavor of olive oil because I love it. There's something really magical about it. You just have to try it. It's something else. that was a spoonful of Mediterranean sunshine.